on the quality of the FDI coming into India. So say if an American or a Mauritius insurance company with a lot of capital decides to come to India through the FDI route, when we look at capital from a company level point of view, it may seem like that capital is enough. But, sir, in a Lehman kind of event or an AIG kind of crash, the US government would seize all the capital of their existing American company, right? They don't need to take on the global risk policies of policy holders across the world. My question, sir, is, will the minister care to clarify or explain how the foreign company, without dedicated capital for operations in India, how will it ensure that if something goes wrong like Lehman or AIG, where $80 billion had to be given by the US government to AIG, how will they ensure that the capital of the Indian company should also be available to take care of those who have insured in India? This is our deep concern, and since the question is straight up related to FDI, I'll be very happy if the minister chooses to answer.